My favorite kind of day is a jewelry day. Let's unbox. Okay, we got an incredible package from ALV Jewels. You guys, I have been loving all of these amazing brands. I love all these young girls that I follow who have amazing style and fun, and they find all these fun brands. And we forget that jewelry is a form of expression, and it is just so, it's supposed to be fun. It's supposed to be fun. So all of these brands, you guys, these are just cool brands, affordable. You can have fun with it. Great for you, great for your daughter, college daughter. Like, it doesn't matter, you guys. There is no age limit to having fun jewelry. So here we go. Oh, I've been wanting this shell. Dying over the shell. I love that it goes around twice. That you can wear it. Obsessed with that. Ooh. Oh wait, what is all of this? Anklets. You know I love my anklets. You guys, look at these hoops. I think these are new. Oh, let's see what's in here. Oh, you guys, look how cute these are. Love a gold hoop. I love these, the little hoops that have like the little chains hanging. Absolutely love that. There is nothing more fun than opening jewelry. Maybe a handbag. Oh, that's beautiful. You guys, check this out. It's like a lariat. This is stunning. See, this is the kind of jewelry that I love bringing on vacation because it always looks amazing. First of all, ALV has the best jewelry bags. They come always in different colors, and these are so good to collect for when you travel. You guys, the silver and gold balls. You know I like my big balls. Look at the fishy. Look with the gold strand to tie, like the gold at night with like a white bikini. And then the pearls. I can't. I'll just stick everything on. Then you wonder why I wear so much jewelry. It's because I can't take anything off. You guys, look at the shell. That is stunning. You guys, I really wanted the fish. I can't. ALV, I am obsessed with you. You guys, and then a cuff, because you know, there's never enough cuffs. I can't, you guys. Between the jewelry bags and the most amazing fun jewelry, I am obsessed. I love you guys.